Sunshine Horses is a horse rescue. It's located here, right in Clay, New York. We've been here for 8 years. Sunshine Horses has been in existence for over 20 years. There are horses, specifically standard breds, that have outlived their ability to do their primary job, which is racing. And those horses have to be then retrained and repurposed for pleasure riding. And so they come to Sunshine Horses through the Standard Bred Transition Association. We are accredited by them, as well as the Global Federation of Animal Sanctuaries.
In the 20 years that Sunshine's been around, we've had over 300 horses adopted out.
Because it's not just about the 27 horses here today or the hundreds of horses that have come through our property. It's about the thousands of people whose lives we touch. Our communities that we serve extend not just to Clay, Baldwinsville, and Liverpool, and Cicero, but all the way down to the city, all the way out to Cazenovia, Madison County, and further. 100% of our funds are either through grants or the sponsorship and donations from the communities we serve.
Our challenge with the roof on the main barn, there's several spots that are leaked, have formed leaks. We've had a roofing crew here several times. Basically what's happened in the past, the roof wasn't installed correctly. Some different quick fixes over the years didn't work, caused the problem to be even worse. Our biggest challenge now is replacing that roof, and it's probably one of the biggest expenditures that we would have.
So at this point, we're asking for your help in terms of supporting this farm, supporting the horses, supporting the volunteers. Our mission, helping horses, helping people. It's important that we continue this work of what we're doing. Our finances are such that you can sponsor a horse.
Sponsoring a horse allows you the opportunity to take partial ownership for the care and feeding and the veterinary care, the farrier bills of a horse that's here at Sunshine.
And we had a woman in Kentucky who sponsored 4 of our horses.
We cannot continue our good work without the support of our communities. And thanks to, again, our volunteers, our donors, the supporters, our sponsors, we are able to bring those horses here, and we look forward to introducing them to the community in the very near future.